Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the right device and the Google app logged into the account that owns Assistant. Once done, back up any routines or voice models you want to keep because Reset clears personalized data. Next, open the Google app, tap your profile icon, then choose Settings and Google Assistant. You're now in the Control Hub where the Reset option's live, so proceed without delay to the relevant devices or account controls to continue the reset process. You'll now navigate the Assistant tab to find Device and Personalization controls. Once there, pick the specific device or account area you want to reset. This may be under Devices, Personalization, or Voice Match. Tap the Reset, Remove, or Delete option and read the confirmation prompts. Make sure you understand which data is affected. After you confirm, the system clears settings like voice match, saved routines, and preferences. If you're resetting multiple devices, repeat these steps for each one to ensure a clean state. Finish by restarting the device to ensure settings fully apply, then open Google Assistant and go through the setup flow to reconfigure voice match, permissions, and any routines you want restored. Make sure to sign into the correct Google account and enable microphone and activity permissions so Assistant functions properly. If something goes wrong, clear the Google App Cache, force stop and reopen, or reinstall the app to remove corrupted state. These steps resolve most persistent problems and let you retry the reset cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.